Good day, everyone. Today, I'll show you how to fix the snipping tool not working in Windows 11. Super easy and quick. Step 1. Try this shortcut first. Before troubleshooting, press Windows key plus Shift plus S and check if the snipping tool opens. If it does, great. If not, move on to the next steps. Step 2. Repair and reset snipping tool. Right-click on the Start icon and go to Settings. Click on Apps. Then, Installed Apps. In the search bar, type Snipping Tool. Click the three dots next to it and go to Advanced Options. Scroll down and first repair it. Then if needed, reset it. Step 3. Reinstall Snipping Tool. If it's still not working, uninstall it. Go to Settings. Apps and then Installed Apps. Search for Snipping Tool. Click the three dots next to it and then uninstall it. Open Microsoft Store. Search Snipping Tool. And reinstall it. Please wait while the download completes. That's it. Now, try launching Snipping Tool again and see if it works. Let me know in the comments if this helped you. If you found this tutorial useful, like and subscribe for more. See you in the next one. Have a wonderful day.